Go ahead, show Mama your piglets.
There it comes here again.
Do your piglets, baby. Is it working?
It is.
Your piglet is working? Show me again. More. Lots and lots of piglets.
There.
That was great. Thank you, Jack. Hey, what is that? What were you just doing?
What animal is that?
What kind of animal are you being?
Piglets.
Piglets.
A piglet, yeah.
Okay, I love you mucho.
Go start in there again.
There they go. Okay.
That's a dairy.
Yeah.
Mommy, look. Way that way.
Way that way? Are you the neighborhood watch?
Yeah.
Are you going to eat that yummy cheeseburger?
It's not a cheeseburger.
It's not? Is it just a burger?
It is a cheeseburger.
There's a school bus out there.
There is. Do you love them?
Wait, there's a what out there?
School bus.
Boo Gus.
No. School bus. School bus.
All right. Bye, Jack.
Bye.
Love you mucho.
I don't know what to do.
Thank you.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at that.